Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
My name is Inderjeet Singh and this is your speaking mock test. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your full name?
My full name is Komalpreet Kaur.
Okay, Komal, let's talk about social media. Do you or your friends use social media a lot?
Yes, of course. As I called myself social butterfly, and I love to use social media too much because it helps me to grab more knowledge regarding higher education and also give me a sense of stay connected with virtual world as well.
Do you want to work in social media someday?
No, I don't want to work on social media as I lacked the necessary physical abilities and talent to compete at social level.
Okay, what is the most popular social media platforms in India and why?
Well, there are a number of social media platforms which are available in India, but according to my perception, Instagram and Snapchat are the most popular social media apps.
Why?
Because these days, these both apps are much renowned as people use this app for texting or stay connected with their near and dear ones as well.
Let's talk about snacks. What do you like to eat?
Well, I love to eat both savory and sweet snacks to satisfy my taste buds, and these are really delicious.
Did you often eat snacks?
Yes, I eat snacks because it gave me a sense of satisfied my taste buds, as these are very delicious, but on the other hand, these are not very healthy.
Do you think that it is healthy to eat snacks regularly?
No, as I think that eating too much snacks are not much healthy because they consume much more oil as due to due to the taste people tend to overeat it.
Okay. When do you usually eat snacks now?
Well, I usually eat snacks in the morning as well as in the evenings along with tea.
Okay. Let's talk about singing. Do you like singing and why?
Well, I called myself bathroom singer as I don't have a nice voice to sing a song in the public.
Have you ever learned how to sing?
Yes, as in my primary school at that time, my music teacher used to teach me how to learn how to sing a song very well.
Do you think that singing can bring happiness to others?
Yes, it is a form of expression from where people can express their various emotions or feelings among anyone.
Okay. Okay, Kovan, we are moving to the part 2. This is a cue card. You have to describe a long term goal that you would like to achieve in your life, right? The sub questions are what the goal is, how long you have this goal in your mind, and how you would like to achieve it, and explain why you set this goal. You have exactly 1 minute for preparation, and this is paper and pen. You can make your notes. Once your time is up, I will let you know. Okay, Komal, your time is up. You may start now, please.
Ambition is a tool where people can have a goal or ambition to achieve success in their life. As I also have aim to become a professional athlete in my life, as I have a keen interest in sports since my childhood. So here I would like to talk about a long-term goal which I would like to achieve in my future, but still I have not achieved it. There are several reasons why I lack this. Why I have not achieved this ambition in my life. First of all, I lack the necessary physical abilities and talent to compete at social levels. Apart from this, I didn't have proper training and resources to develop my skills and turn my passion into these field. Despite these challenges, I have not given up on my ambition completely, because it is not a cup of tea for me to achieve this goal in my life, as it needs more and more physical strength or practice. Due to this, it is hard not to crack for me, as but still I have remained active in sports and have taken up different hobbies and activities which help me to keep my mind and body in shape. I also watch and follow professional athletes, and makes an inspiration from their success to perform well in this field. As to last but not least, I feel a mix of sadness and hope. On the one hand, I feel disappointed that I have not been able to turn my passion into sports. On the other hand, I remained optimistic about my future, as I will definitely turn my passion into this career as well. So all in all, that is the long term goal that I would like to achieve in my future.
Okay, that's all right. All right, and we are moving to the part 3. These are the follow-up question. First question is: should parents set goals for their children?
Well, according to my perception, pro-creators play a pivotal role in their child's life, as they know more about their child's weakenings and strengthens about. And apart from this, parents also know their child's ability for what they do in their life or not as well.
When do children start to set their goals?
Well, children start setting goals at a very early age, but according to my perception, people or children set their goals when they turn 18, because at that time they become more independent, as they know what is right or wrong for them.
Why do people set goals?
As goal gives direction to the life, and it is must for everyone to have ambition or goal where they perform well or achieve success in their life.
What would you feel if you couldn't achieve your goals?
Well, first of all, I feel disappointed, because I put more efforts into this field. But on the other hand, I remain optimistic about my future, as I will definitely do hard work again, and I will turn my passion into any field.
That's the end of your speaking test. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.